Welcome to a new blueprint for community influence. This is the architecture of impact. Today, we aren't just talking about how to manage a community. We are talking about how to engineer it from the inside out. My name is Keisha Solomon, and through Vibe Hire, we are merging cutting-edge neuroscience with proven leadership principles to rewrite the rules of collective success. Let's be honest. Most leadership programs focus on logistics, how to run a meeting or manage a budget. But policy doesn't change culture. State does. A dysregulated leader creates a dysregulated community, no matter how good the mission statement is. To change the environment, you have to stop managing tasks and start mastering the neurological baseline of your organization. Our methodology lives at the intersection of neuroscience and the law of assumption. We move leaders from trying to lead to actually being the leader. By utilizing tools like the reticular activating system and mirror neurons, we teach your cohort how to inhabit the success of the community before the 3D evidence even appears. We don't just teach theory. We build an internal operating system. In our first course, The Internal Authority, we focus on RAS programming. We move participants from a worker mindset, waiting for direction, to a visionary mindset that generates it. Through our community blueprint interactivity, leaders learn to strip away the variable of blame and identify their exact points of internal influence. This is about 100% ownership of outcomes. Course 2 is Visionary Architecture. We use the science of mental rehearsal to install a vision of a thriving community. Research shows the brain doesn't distinguish between a vivid imaginal act and a real event. We teach leaders to construct precise, 5-second end scenes of success, effectively installing the future as an already experienced memory in the subconscious. The third stage is mastering the bridge of incidents. Real leadership requires persistence when the external world contradicts the vision. We teach echo theory, the understanding that current challenges are just delays of past thoughts. Our synchronicity tracker helps leaders stay faithful to the end goal by recognizing the natural path appearing right beneath their feet. The final course is Echo Theory Mastery. Here, we reach elite identity. We dissolve the smaller versions of ourselves that are afraid to lead and step into leadership as a lifestyle. When a leader's internal state is stabilized and grounded, it creates a multiplier effect that automatically elevates the frequency and performance of the entire group. The heart of our program is the Assumption Lab. This isn't passive learning. It's a laboratory of today. Using our proprietary interactive engine, leaders engage in scenario-based training that rewires their subconscious responses in real time. They aren't just learning what to do, they are practicing who to be when the pressure is on. What does this look like at street level? It looks like magnetic leadership that attracts funding and resources naturally. It looks like a culture of zero blame and high volunteer retention. When your leaders become the community thermostat, you see decisive action in crisis and a city that reflects the grounded state of its architects. We designed Vibe Hire to be as flexible as the modern leader needs. Our online modules are self-paced and quiz-gated for deep implementation. Our in-person workshops are high-intensity, featuring live Assumption Lab simulations. Or choose our hybrid model. Weekly digital lessons culminating in a live community breakthrough session. Traditional programs are becoming outdated. To stay relevant, chambers and leadership cohorts need to provide an internal operating system. Partnering with Vibe Hire means you aren't just giving your members a certificate, you are giving them a neurological edge. You are building leaders whose very presence is a contribution to your city's growth. Your reality starts now. Don't wait for the community to change. Change the thermostat. Visit vibehire.com to schedule a curriculum demo for your next cohort. Let's build your thriving community together.